फायर है तू।
फायर नहीं,
वाइल्ड फायर है।
Rajnikant and Amitabh Bachchan come to mind while watching Pushpa 2. There was a time when they starred in hugely commercial projects, played larger-than-life characters, performed fantastical feats, and still managed to keep audiences glued to their seats. More importantly, they kept viewers emotionally engaged throughout the films. In Pushpa 2, Allu Arjun has reached similar lofty heights. After becoming a pan-India sensation with the release of Pushpa, The Rise in 2021, 3 years later, he solidifies his position as a pan-Indian star once again. The film is a total mass entertainer, from the first frame to the last, offering full paisa vasool value. Even at a length of 3 hours and 20 minutes, it's so gripping that you won't even want to take a loo break. Pushpa steamrolled the opposition when it got released, and Pushpa 2 looks all set for a repeat performance. The Jatra sequence, where Allu Arjun dons a blue sari and transforms into goddess Kali, is likely to gain a fanbase of its own. This sequence lasts nearly 20 minutes, with Allu Arjun performing a trance-like dance as he worships the goddess. Eventually, he assumes her avatar and single-handedly takes on a gang of goons. The action choreography reaches its peak when, towards the end, director Sukumar reintroduces the sequence. This time, Allu Arjun's hands and feet are bound, but like Kali, he becomes a force of destruction. It's a goosebumps-inducing moment, indeed. While the first film chronicled Pushpa's rise to power and dominance within the Red Sandalwood smuggling syndicate, the second chapter shifts its focus to the consequences of his newfound position. Pushpa's world grows more perilous as he faces increasing threats, both from within the smuggling network and from the law. A major highlight of this installment is his intense and personal confrontation with SP Bhavar Singh Shekhawat, Fahad Fazil, a determined police officer whose relentless pursuit of Pushpa sparks a gripping game of cat and mouse. As the stakes rise, Pushpa must navigate a treacherous path where every move could lead to his downfall, making for an exhilarating, action-packed continuation of his story. Fahad Fazil knows that Pushpa 2 is not his film, and so, free from any pressure, he thoroughly enjoys playing the villain to the anti-hero. As a talented actor, he can inject a comic touch into his character even in the midst of serious scenes, without diminishing their impact. One might wonder why director Sukumar chose a Malayali actor to portray a Rajasthani character, but such is Fahad's versatility that this anomaly is easily forgotten. Rashmika Mandana too delivers a stellar performance as Srivalli, Pushpa's wife. She plays a character who worships her husband and serves as his emotional anchor. Her standout moment comes when she confronts his estranged family, silencing them with a powerful speech. The palpable chemistry between her and Allu Arjun is most evident in the song Angaro, the couple's song, where they dance intimately. The choreography here is inventive, and their body language throughout the film reflects a deep, silent connection, portraying them as a convincing couple. It is Allu Arjun's film from start to finish, and it's clear that he is at his most confident phase as an actor. He knows the character he is portraying is completely over the top and, at times, almost impossible, yet he carries it off with 100% conviction. It's this conviction that wins the audience over, what with viewers rooting for him throughout the film. He excels not only in action sequences but also in emotional moments. Furthermore, Allu Arjun remains one of the best dancers in Indian cinema, and his performance in the item song Kissik with Srileela is the cherry on top. The film also shines in its technical aspects. Naveen Nooli's editing is seamless, ensuring the pacing remains tight throughout. Miroslav Kuba-Brozek's cinematography is perfectly suited to the action genre, with both fast-paced sequences and slow-motion action scenes masterfully crafted. The background score by DSP does the film credit, and the production design and sound design too are fine. Watch this well-crafted commercial vehicle for its eye-popping action sequences, its overall packaging, and some inspired action by Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandanna, and last but not the least, Fahad Fazil. Sukumar is up there with S.S. Rajamouli and Sandeep Reddy Vanga when it comes to directing mass movies. The film hints at another sequel, but we surely want him to take up other subjects soon.